Hi, welcome to Weight Loss Workout Program. This is day 2. I have created 6 days workout program for you to lose weight. If you haven't checked my workout program of remaining days, please go to the description box below. As I told before, the key to lose weight is right diet with perfect workout plan. I will also add diet plan link in the description box. Cardio and resistance training are both important. As I mentioned in the previous video, each form of exercises have its own advantages. Cardio burns more calories. Resistance training helps to get toned body. Coming to day 2 workout program, it is upper body. To perform these exercises, you need a pair of dumbbells. If you are a beginner, start the exercise with lesser weights. As you improve with the posture, you can increase the weight. Today, we follow a superset pattern. We have 4 supersets. Each superset has 2 exercises, where you perform 2 exercises in a row without rest in between. After completing superset 1, take 60 seconds rest and go to superset 2. Continue the same pattern for 3 rounds. Push-up on knees. Push-up on knees is a beginner exercise. In this push-up, half of your body weight is supported by your knees. Keep your knees in contact with the floor. Wrists are lined up with the shoulders. Put your wrists beside the chest. Squeeze your abs back straight from head to legs. Inhale as you go down. Exhale as you come up. If you are comfortable with this exercise, you can move on to standard push-up. In this standard push-up exercise, there is just one change. That is, you lift whole body off the floor. Supine chest press. Grab the dumbbells, lie on the back, lock up your core. Have knees bent and feet flat over the floor. Start the exercise by having elbows at the level of your chest. Push your dumbbells up to the ceiling over your chest by extending your elbows. Return your hands to the starting position by flexing the elbows. While performing this exercise, nothing moves except your arms. Bending knees in this exercise helps to straighten up the back. Kneeling bent over row. Go on to the floor and bend your upper body till you are comfortable. Pull the dumbbells straight up till they are side of your chest and lower the dumbbells to starting position slowly. Exhale as you pull dumbbells up and inhale as you lower the dumbbells. In this exercise, your whole body stays still except elbows and shoulders. Bent over flies. Take a pair of dumbbells and bend forward at hips till upper body is almost parallel to the floor. Raise both arms to your sides until they are in line with upper body and slowly return to the starting position, making sure you are not arcing your body. Perform this exercise with lower weights. If you are not comfortable bending till your torso is parallel to the floor, bend to a position that is comfortable for you. Arnold press. Stand tall with back straight. Hold 2 dumbbells with palms facing body, dumbbells in front of shoulders and elbows under wrists. Raise your arms by extending elbows and turn palms out as you are raising dumbbells towards the ceiling. This exercise works on shoulders. You can switch this exercise with overhead press as well. Front raises. Grab a pair of dumbbells. Stand straight by holding dumbbells in front of your thighs. Raise 2 arms towards ceiling by facing palms downward. Exhale as you lift the dumbbells. Inhale as you lower the dumbbells to the starting point. Bicep curls. Stand straight with hip width distance and grab couple of dumbbells in each hand. Exhale and pull up the weights towards your chest. As you are lifting the dumbbells, rotate your palms to face upwards. Come back slowly to starting position by turning your palms. Overhead triceps extension. To begin the exercise, stand with stance legs. Slightly bend the front leg to give more support to lower back. Press the weights overhead until your arms are straight and your biceps are next to your ears. Without moving your upper arms, bend your elbows to lower the weights behind your head until your forearms are at least parallel to the floor. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. And follow me on Instagram Karishma Arja and like my Facebook page BeFit with Karishma. Till then, bye.